This week's episode of the Fintech Fix is brought to you by Payments for Lunch. Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the Fintech Fix. In this episode, we find out if the challenger banks have finally met their match. Is there a new financial manifest destiny as Transferwise goes out west? And is Scandinavia ahead of time when it comes to wearables? Find out in this episode of the Fintech Fix. First up is the news that Nordea and Swedbank are partnering with Fidesmo, a tech company that's also based out of Sweden, to offer their customers a chance to turn their watches into payment instruments. Still a very small rollout, however, with only watches made by Triwa and Ur Penn can be turning into these payment devices. And I've never heard of them. However, it is a start and the banks are finally realizing the potential design space for payments going forward. Soon children might even wonder why the hell a rectangle shows up on their mobile wallet. They'll wonder why it isn't a watch. What do wearables open up in terms of design when it comes to payments? Let me know below. Now, the challenger banks have become the financial celebrities of the post-2008 crash. But are they to become the Brangelinas of our generation? Fitch, one of the three credit rating gods, has expressed the idea that the UK challenger banks might be more vulnerable than the more established banks to late cycle and Brexit-related risks. Have they flown too close to the sun? The Icarian-like rise of these banks during a period of relative stability means that the Bank of England has warned that they might be underestimating their ability to mitigate losses through business growth or capital raising. Let me know next time we have a crash. Right, Transferwise is heading out west and the latest fintech star attempting to launch itself in the US of A. In a mad land grab, the fintech unicorns of Monzo, N26 and Transferwise are opening accounts in the US. What sets Transferwise apart is their accounts are borderless, so the payments are more like PayPal. This could be critical in the fight to market domination. And to lead the campaign, they've brought in Tan France, a lovable Brit who spends most of his time in the US for his hit show Queer Eye on Netflix. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Fintech Fix, and make sure to catch us same time next week.